Okay guys, it's early in the morning. It's nice out here. I figured we'd come outside. Got a couple of new boxes. Hopefully, not hopefully, I think this is my last unboxing video. They're kind of pointless, but I do want to go back and look at them later. But this is going to be my most important one because this is finally going to be my paper. Here we go. There we go. That's the start of the small one. Let's see our big one. Wow, they really packaged this. There we go. Perfect. This is really nice paper. Okay. So now I can actually get started. So these videos weren't just unboxing videos, they're also testing. I'm testing my editing skills. Right now I'm testing the microphone. I'm testing the gimbal to see if it follows me. And I'm testing this screen that allows me to use the back camera as a selfie screen. And I can actually I can set up the shot and start and stop the video from here. So that's pretty awesome. So these are big tests, even though it doesn't seem like much.